Chemoautotrope. These are bacteria that obtain energy by oxidizing inorganic compounds such as ammonia, nitrate, and sulfide, and they use this energy to synthesize carbohydrate. Example: the iron bacteria, the nitrifying bacteria, and the non-pigmented sulfur bacteria. এই ব্যাকটেরিয়াগুলো এনার্জি অবটেইন করে বা এনার্জি পায় ইনঅর্গ্যানিক মানে অজৈব যৌগ যেগুলো আছে অ্যামোনিয়া, নাইট্রেট, সালফাইড, এগুলোকে অক্সিডাইজ করার মাধ্যমে। আর এই এনার্জিগুলো কার্বোহাইড্রেট তৈরিতে ব্যবহার করে। আয়রন ব্যাকটেরিয়া, নাইট্রিফাইং ব্যাকটেরিয়া, নন পিগমেন্টেড সালফার ব্যাকটেরিয়া, এগুলো কেমোঅটোট্রপ। আর ফটো অটোট্রপে the oxidation of H2O produce molecular oxygen as a byproduct. O2 সবগুলোতে তৈরি হয়। Because O2 is produced, photosynthesis in this organism is called oxygen photosynthesis. However, in some phototropic bacteria, H2O is not oxidized and O2 is not produced. Thus, the process is called anoxygenic photosynthesis. Chemosynthesis can be summarized with the following equation: carbon dioxide plus 4H2S প্লাস O2, অক্সিজেনও আছে, কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইডও আছে, তার সাথে 4 অণু H2S, এটা CH2O মানে ফর্মালডিহাইড। CH2O হচ্ছে CHOH, ফর্মালডিহাইড তৈরি করে, এর সাথে 4 অণু সালফার, 3 অণু H2O, 18 অণু H2S, 6 অণু কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড, 3 অণু অক্সিজেন, কার্বোহাইড্রেট, পানি, সালফার, H2S, কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড, গ্লুকোজ। All chemosynthesis organism use the energy released by chemical reaction to make a sugar মানে carbohydrate, but different species use different pathway. Heterotroph, other, feeder. From the Greek heteros, other or another or different, trop means feeder, nutrition, are the organism which cannot make synthesize organic compound from inorganic substance. They are generally animal and dependent upon autotrophic organism, other organism for their feeding. There are two types of heterotroph: micro consumer, macro consumer. Macro consumer, they are also called consumer or phagotroph. Macro consumer যেটা in phago means to ingest or shallow. The consumer are further subdivided, classified into 3 types according to their diet, food habit. Macro consumer এর মধ্যে আছে herbivore. They are also called or referred as plant eater, first order consumer or primary consumer, as they feed directly on plant. Terrestrial ecosystem consumer like cattle, goat, deer, elephant, rabbit, grasshopper, etc. Aquatic ecosystem consumer like zooplankton, insect, pathogens, crustacean, মৃগেল, গ্রাস কাপ, ইটিং প্ল্যান্ট, অ্যালজি, এটা হলো হার্বিভোরাস। মাছের মধ্যে মৃগেল, গ্রাস কাপ, এগুলো হচ্ছে হার্বিভোরাস, কারণ এগুলো হচ্ছে প্ল্যান্ট ও অ্যালগি খায়। কার্নিভোরাস, দে আর ফ্লেশ ইটার, মিট ইটার অ্যানিমেলস, সেকেন্ডারি কনজিউমার, দে ফিড অর প্রে আপন আদার অ্যানিমেলস। সাম কার্নিভোর আর কল্ড predator, lion, leopard, fish, eagle, etc., which catch their prey, kill it, and then eat it. Others are called scavenger, which usually eat what is left by predator. Carnivores are three types. Primary carnivores or second order consumer. These include the animals which feed on the herbivorous animal. Example: fox, frog, predatory bird, smaller fishes, snake, etc. Secondary carnivore, third order consumer. These include animals which feed on the primary carnivores. Example: wolf, peacock, owl. Secondary carnivore are preyed upon by some larger carnivore. Tertiary carnivore or quaternary consumer. These include the animal which fed on the secondary carnivore. Example: lion, tiger, etc. These are not eaten by any other animal. The larger carnivore which cannot be preyed upon further are called top carnivore. Omnivores. Carnivore পরে omnivores. They can eat both plant and animal material, can be primary, secondary, tertiary consumer simultaneously. Example: pig, rat, cockroach, human, etc. আর মাছের মধ্যে তেলাপিয়া. Micro consumer, they are called or also referred as saprotroph. Sapros mean rotten, trop mean feeder. Detrivorous, detritus feeder. Decomposer, reducer. Organic material are added to the environment with the death of plants and animals, and also due to deposition of animals' waste product. Detrivorous or detritus feeder feed on detritus, shed animal tissue, plant animal, dead bodies of plants, animal, waste product of animal. Some example of detritus feeder include various species of beetle, various species of ant, earthworm, and termites. Decomposer are type of detrivorous. They break down complex organic compound like cellulose, hemicellulose, chitin, etc. of dead matter of plant and animal into simple substance. These are mainly microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Actinomycetes. Decomposer do not ingest their food. Instead, they secrete digestive enzyme into the dead and decaying plant and animal remain to digest the organic material. Enzyme act upon the complex organic compound of the dead matter. Decomposer absorb a part of decomposition product for their own nourishment. The remaining substance are added as mineral to the substratum. Mineralization, release mineral are reused unlisted as nutrient by the plants or producer.